Atop City Hall in Crossville, looking to the west, a darkening sky as some storms are approaching, and it's right on the edge of our county view here along I-40 north of Pleasant Hill. That's moving to the east. Some good news is these storms are weakening some as they're coming off Middle Tennessee and heading towards the plateau. But we're watching this line pretty noisy right now. Fentress County right on the border. That's moving to the east. Quite a bit of lightning with that. And I still think there could be some 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts, but the higher wind gusts, 60 plus, I think that's starting to relax a little bit, but I don't want to let our guard down just yet. But you can see it's knocking on the door there with Cumberland County. You're still officially under the severe thunderstorm watch here, Cumberland, Fentress, all of southeast Kentucky. That'll be 8 Central and 9 Eastern time for our counties, okay? This will continue to progress eastward this evening. You see the level 2 out of 5 risk for much of our area. Again, damaging wind gusts are going to be our main concern with this line. It's all been this line of thunderstorms that's made its way through Middle Tennessee. At one point, there were over 10,000 people without power in Nashville, but notice it's a little weaker or less strong, we'll say, than it was. But there is a warning out for the Hamilton County area near Chattanooga, and I'm watching the northern edge of that line into Fentress County. But timing this for you here, let's take a look from where we are right now. This will progress eastward pretty quickly. By 9 o'clock, it's almost into Knox County, and then really by the time we get to 10, it's pushed east and then out of here before we even get to midnight tonight. So this will be a fast-moving system, really about 3 hours worth here, and then we're going to be done. I don't think there'll be widespread severe damage, but 1 or 2 isolated storms could produce some gusty winds. Bigger concern may actually be the locally heavy rainfall that could lead to some isolated flooding in spots. Good news is it's a little bit quieter as we go into the overnight hours, but ramp up rain chances again, especially the first half of the day tomorrow. And instead of a severe threat like damaging winds, it's more of an elevated rain threat that could lead to some flooding for our Wednesday. Guess what? Thursday's pretty much the same, but areas a little further to the east. So it's going to be a pretty busy second half of the week coming up. Decent rain chances first half of the day tomorrow on the plateau, 81 in Oneida, Wartburg at 82, 83 in Crossville, up through southeast Kentucky. A little less likely for the rain here. Better chances going to be, again, along I-40 and south the way it's looking. But here in the Knoxville area, first half of the day, again, from sunrise through about early afternoon, best rain chances, 84 for Knoxville, 86 in Sevierville, and 85 in Maryville. And over into the Smokies could be a little soggy first half of the day here, but it's keeping temperatures down at least a little bit. 76 Chimney Tops, Walland, you're at about 81, and Calderwood at 84. All right, a couple of days still left of these wet weather chances. It's not going to be raining continuous each day. But I will say those opportunities will be there, and if we see rain over some of the same counties or same areas over these next couple of days, that could be a bit concerning. Thankfully, things quiet down as we head into the weekend, and we'll deserve it, I think, after the rest of this week. Look at the low temperatures. Low 60s, really, for late July? This is like, maybe it's time to buy a lottery ticket for us, because I think we won the lottery here. Low to mid 80s, low humidity, sunshine, and low 60s in late July?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Considering what we've been dealing with, and you look what the rest of the country's been dealing with,
Right.
We'll take those days.